Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do nebula in a bottle. So what is nebula? A nebula is a giant cloud of dust and gas in space. Some nebulas come from the gas dust thrown out by the explosion of tiny stars such as supernova. Other nebula are regions where new stars are beginning to form. For this reason, some nebulae are called star nurseries. So let's do nebula in a bottle. So what do you need for this? 3 cups of water, colors, glass jar container, glitters, cottons. Take a cup of water and mix it with blue color, similarly red and pink. I'm going to mix in red color. Pink color, I mean, sorry. I missed it. I mix it with the pink color and now I'm coloring with red color. So our colors are ready. Now let's do it. Open the jar or container, put the cotton and press it little hard. If you don't, ask parents for help. And pour some water, pink water in the first cotton. But don't shake it, otherwise it will be very mixed. And second cotton. Don't push very hard, then it will just stick together. I'm pouring the blue color. Look how beautiful it is coming. Is already nebula? No, we need another cotton. Now I'm pouring red color. Woohoo! Look, the colors are very separated. I'm going to mix it together, red and pink. Now another cotton. Actually, I don't have that space. I'll do it with blue. Yahoo! I'm pouring blue color. Now add some glitters. So sparkles, right? We need glitters because space will be lit, so sparkles, right? So we also need so much of glitters. Look how it's beautiful. Do you see that? It's a nebula. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. So, do you like this, guys? If you like this, you can do it at your home, but ask your parents. So, bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in next video.